Dear students, welcome back to your education channel Learn and Educate, where we were studying a few basics about the company law, continuing the same section 2, clause 31, deposits. Deposits includes deposit means any receipt of money by way of deposits or loan or in any other form by the company, but it specifically excludes any category of amount which is prescribed in consultation with the Reserve Bank of India, which means that deposit does not include anything which has been mentioned by the RBI, any category of amounts of money which will not be constituted as the deposits. Except terms of deposits by the non-banking financial companies in India are regulated by the Reserve Bank of India, whereas which means that the acceptance of deposits by the non-banking non-financial companies, the non-banking companies and non-financial companies are regulated by the provisions of the Companies Act 2013 and the rules under the Companies Act, Companies Acceptance of Deposit Rules 2014. It regulates the ceiling amount of the total deposits, the quantity of deposit, maximum amount of deposit which can be accepted, the circular advertisement and exemptions. Deposit is governed as per section 73 to 76 of the Companies Act and the rules made under chapter 5 of the Companies Act 2013. The invitation and acceptance of deposit, the prohibition of deposits except from the members through ordinary resolution or acceptance of deposit by the eligible company which is a public company. As per the provisions of the Companies Act, the non-banking, non-financial company can accept deposit. Deposit includes any receipt of money by way of deposit or loan in any other form made by the company, but does not include any amount received by the central government or the state government, and the amount received from such source whose repayment is guaranteed by the central government shall not be formed and under the deposits. Any amount received from a local authority or a statutory authority formed under the act of a parliament or a state legislature will not be deposits. Any amount received from the financial institutions, from international financial institutions, example Asian Development Banks, Commonwealth Development Corporation, International Bank for Industrial and Finance Reconstruction, or foreign governments which has developed the financial institutions shall not be termed fall under the definition of deposits. Any non-interest bearing amount received or held in a trust, any amount received by a company from any other company, any amount received against the issue of the commercial paper or any instruments in accordance with the guidelines issued by the Reserve Bank of India. Thus, these are the amounts which are specifically mentioned by the RBI which would not be formed under the definition of the deposit. Thus, deposit includes any receipt of money by way of deposit or loan by the company, but does not include such category of amount as mentioned by